Greetings, everyone. This is Louis Santos, and welcome to WeAwake. Fortunately, John couldn't be with us today, but we're still here. We're going to be meditating together, and today we're going to be listening to Refuge, or one of the tracks from Refuge, which is track two. So earlier this year, we already listened to the shorter version of this track, which targets the brain waves up to 12 hertz frequencies. And this time we're going to be listening to the longer version of Refuge, which targets up to 14 hertz of our brain waves. So this was created by Nadja Lind. Um, and I'm just going to be reading some information about this. So, Refuge is designed to help relax your nervous system so it feels like you're enveloped in a bright, warm, summery cocoon, supported, safe, joyful, and loved. And the brainwave entrainment that we're using here is the alpha brainwave state, which is a very light meditative state similar to what we would feel if our nervous systems were deprived of incoming sensory information and allowed to focus simply on calming your thoughts. Um, Alpha brainwaves are also associated with developing multidimensional awareness, peak performance states, creativity, and presence. So today's track is going to be 32 minutes and 25 seconds, and it's alpha entrainment plus some other technologies that might be used during the development of it, like ASMR plus nature ambience. So anyway, please wear your headphones while listening to it, and we'll see you all on the other side.